In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to create this rotating text animation in Canva. I added the same image. First, we need to duplicate. Then we have to remove the background and go into the text, add heading, coming soon, ish. So we change the text color to white, just resize a bit, go into the effects, scrolling down to shape, curve, and increase the size to have the full circle going around where we want, like to here, around her head, and going to the position, layers, and moving between the two layers, and going to the animate, scrolling down to the rotate. It's almost good. Scrolling down a bit and change the direction, and we can increase the speed a bit. And go into the position and just to find the proper place where we want, and here is the final outcome. As you can see, that's very easy, very quick to do it, so I really like it. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section. Please also check the description where you can find the links for my TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook pages. Plus, you can find the links for my Buy Me a Coffee page where you can support me even with the smallest amount. Everything is highly appreciated. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.